Loan documents for David Allen Capital. How simple is the process? One study shows that if an average small business owner in the US wants to find access to capital and a bank willing to lend, he needs to approach multiple banks and spend about 3 or 4 full days of man hours filling out applications. Now, why would the busy entrepreneur put in all this effort? Well, of course, bank credit, particularly through short-term loans, is key to helping small firms maintain cash flow, hire new employees, purchase new inventory or equipment, and grow their business. Click on the link David Allen Capital and find an easier way, giving you the power to succeed. David Allen Capital has simplified the loan process. The fact is that banks are not really interested by lending to small business. About 80% of loan applications are rejected, and business owners often don't even know why. The cost to process a $100,000 loan transaction is comparable to a $1 million loan, but with less profit. As a result, banks are looking for market segments that are more profitable. Larger banks have created a threshold to eliminate loans below a certain amount, typically $100,000 or $250,000. This limits time-consuming applications from small businesses. This is problematic as over half of small businesses surveyed are seeking loans of under $100,000, leaving a critical gap in the small business loan market. Here's a list of documents asked for by banks but not required by David Allen Capital. You don't need to go through the long, complicated process somewhere between 3 and 6 months that most banks make you go through, only to have the loan denied. Management experience summary, don't need that. Organizational chart, don't need that. 3 years of financial statements, we don't want it. Accounts receivable, aging report, fixed assets, listing and valuation, forecasted financial statements, debt summary report, business and personal financial statements, current UCC information, personal financial statement, global cash flow statement, project narratives justifying the ROI of loan, officers buy and sell agreement, market evaluation of business, current real estate and asset appraisals. Just to gather all these documents is a marathon, and the business owner has a company to run. All you need is loan documents can be prepared within minutes. First, fill out a pre-qualification document on David Allen Capital website. All fields need to be filled out. And then add 3 months of bank statements, all pages. It can be an e-statement in PDF format, but need it for all bank accounts that are mentioned with in and out transfers. Also a 3-month merchant processing statement, last year's tax statement including eventual extension, a copy of your driver's license, a voided check of your business account where you want to receive the money. Yes, we need a business bank account and not a personal account used to do business. That's it. That gives their approval in 1 day, funding in 3 to 5 days. Businesses in US and Canada need access to fast funding. You don't want to wait months before knowing where you stand. DAC has a dedicated group of private lenders who love lending to small business. They are not interested as much in a credit score as a healthy monthly cash flow of the business. So if you need a small business loan, click on the link and find out how access to fast funding can bring life to your projects. Fast access to money is a necessary tool for your business toolkit. Now that you know how simple it is, only one thing left to do. Go to the DAC website and hit the Get Started button. All you need to do today is to find out if your business is eligible and also if lenders want to make you an offer. You have no obligation to engage your company until you're ready.